Oh shit. Here we go again.
Oh crap, oh my god, I'm concentrating so much. I'm sorry, I can't. Oh no, 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 no. Oh crap, oh crap, 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 crap. No way, why didn't I make it? Oh crap, no, no, no. Why can't you swim? Oh no, no, no. Oh my god. No freaking way, no freaking way. No, what? Son of a bitch. No way. Oh my god, I got hit. I got killed by the pellet instead of the water. Son of a bitch. Oh dear. Oh no, no. No, shoot, shoot. Damn it. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? No way, no way, no way. What the hell? Fuck. I swear that's probably the last bit. No, no, no. No, let me up, let me up. What? I can't move. I can't sit. Let me. Ah! I can't make it. Oh my god. I can't believe this shit. Oh. I'm never getting past this. Oh my. Oh, I don't know. This is as far as I've ever gotten. No, 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 no! It was the light that she hated, the light of our kind. But Ori's kindness would once again save my child. What? Sure, okay. Oh! The dude helped me. The fucker. Whatever. But there's no time to lose. We must make haste. The element of wind's next. Resting deep within the forlorn ruins. Inside the misty woods, there's a key that will open their gates. Oh, that's the other side of the map, my guy! Oh. Can I save here? No, because this water, you can't save on water. Dummy, dumb, dumb, dumb. Okay, wait for it. Nope. I pressed the wrong button. Oh! Oh no, oh no. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Go, 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 go! Eee! Oh my god, that was close. Holy crap. There we go. Okay. Now we can go back, right? Yeah. Right? That's what I can do. Get some air first. Well. I might not make it. Let me get up here. Ouch, that's fine. Oh, fuck me. Are you kidding? Ooh, can I make it? Can I make it? Can I make it? Can I make it? Oh, no, no, no. Oh, son of a freaking piranha. I hate you. Somehow. I don't, ouch. Ah, son of a fucking bitch. Are you kidding me? Oh, I'm so bad at games. I mean, I'm fantastic. This is all going according to plan. I meant to do that. I meant to do all of that. This is all a learning process. You must fail in order to learn. Hi. Oh, it was here. You suck. I hate you. Oh, please don't. Oh my god, he killed me. I hate everything that just happened right now. Oh yeah, we can do this. Haha! I totally didn't forget. Are you? Ah! Hello? Give me a, yeah. Elo was the stoutest of the spirits, the most powerful ever seen. Now here he rests, turned into an ancestral tree. Give me an ability. Ah, stomp. Oh, that's what. Okay, this makes more sense. Use the ability. Okay, cool. Jump. Okay. Okay, I see. You just press down. Cool. Oh shit. Oh gosh. Yeah, get absolutely wrecked. No, wait, I died? What? How did I die? That sucks. Die. Ah. Nope. It's down here, right? Yeah. No! I saw it happen. It was like in slow motion. Oh, finally. Get me out of here. I think we're gonna stop this one. I guess we'll just go here? 'Cause that's as close as I'm getting. And then it's all exploration from there. Whee! Alright, this is a good place to stop.